Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Solidworks. This video is for absolute beginners, and in this video we'll try to make a 3D object in Solidworks. So this is the input which we use to make a 3D object. So if you see the input, we have here front view, then we have a top view, bottom view, side view and isometric view. So this is basic shape what we have to make in 3D. So for this we have to open the Solidworks. So let's open the Solidworks. So this is the Solidwork interface. So here first of all we'll go to new. We select part here as we are making a 3D part and select OK. Right. As we can see in input here, we'll start from this area. We'll make this basic shape. This one. So let's go to SolidWorks. So here we select front plane and sketch. Here we go to sketch and we start with line. This is the origin point, so we start from here. We just start drawing the line like this, and one point is here and here, and then here and here. Escape. Now we have to give dimension to this shape, so we'll go to sketch and smart dimension. So we select this and drag it downwards, and here we can enter the value. So we'll check the input. Here we can see we need this dimension, so this dimension is basically 88. On top you can see it's 88, so it is, we'll enter 88, enter. Now this dimension is 24, so we select this, drag it outwards, and 24, enter. Then this dimension is 12 mm here, this dimension, and this is 12 mm, so type here 12, and this is 56 here, so enter this dimension as 56. So this sketch is fully defined now. Now we have to extrude this. So we'll go to feature, select extrude boss space command. As we can see, and we want this extrusion in opposite direction, so we just simply click here to flip the direction. Now we have to check input. So we have to extrude this up to 64 mm. This is the bottom view. So this, how much we have to extrude is 64. So we'll enter 64 here. 64. Yes, here we are. We select OK, and we are done with this. Fine. Now, as we can see here, we have a semicircular cutout here. So we'll try to make this. Okay. For this we have to work on this plane, so we'll go to feature, reference geometry, plane, and we select this. Right. So here we can see like this is 10 mm offset upward, so we'll simply type here 0. Now it's okay. We select OK. Then we'll do a right click and normal. Here we are. Now I'll go to sketch and select 3-point arc. We'll select the first point, second point, and third point. Now we'll give dimension to this arc. We'll go to sketch and smart dimensions. We'll check the input. The radius is 20 mm, so we'll simply select this and give the radius as 20, enter. Now this distance is 12 and this is also 12 12 and 12 both side. Fine, so we'll select this and this, and here we can see like its radius is 20 plus 12, so it's 32. So we'll type 32, enter. Right. Now the center point of this arc and this line both are coincident, so we have to give the relation. So we simply select this line and this point and coincident. Now the sketch is fully defined. Okay, now we need to cut this out, so we'll go to feature and select extrude cut. See, we want this cut out in downward direction, so it's already in downward direction, so no need to flip the direction. Now we have to check the dimension, how much we have to cut this out. So this dimension we have to check how much this dimension is. So this is 32, so simply type 32 here and okay. See, we are done with this cutout. So we simply hide this plane, select, do right click and hide. See, we are done with here. Now again we'll go to the input and we have to make a rectangular cutout, in fact a square cutout, 45 by 45 cutout in front plane. We again go to Solidworks, we go to front plane, sketch. So here we again go to sketch and we select a rectangle, corner rectangle. Simply draw a rectangle like this. We go to smart dimension, sketch and smart dimensions. We'll define this one. This is like 45 and this one is also 45. Right, now we have to make a cutout, this square cutout. Okay, so we'll simply go to feature and click on extruded cut. Direction is okay. Now we have to check for the length, how much we have to cut this out. So we go to the input and as we can see here, we have to cut this out. This is the front view, so 40 mm. We have to cut this out up to 40 mm. Right, so we simply type here 40, enter and okay. So see, we are done with this. Now again we are done with this. Now if we go back to the input, we'll see there is one circular cutout also, right? So we'll do this now. For we have to make the circular cutout here, so we'll go to feature, reference geometry, plane, and we select this plane, and again this is offset, so simply type here 0, enter and okay. Now we do a right click and back to normal. Fine, now we'll go to sketch and make a circle. We randomly pick any point and draw a circle. Right, now it's time to give the dimension. We'll go to sketch and smart dimension. Now we'll check the dimension in input. So as we can see, the die is 20 mm and the center point is like 22.5 in x direction and 21 from y direction. Okay, so this die is 20, so simply type 20 here. Now this dimension is 21 and this dimension is 22.5. Here we are. Now the sketch is fully defined. Now again we have to cut this out, so we'll go to feature and extruded cut. Yeah, direction is okay and we want this cut throughout the object, so we simply go here and select through all. Okay, yes, we can see we're done with the cutout. We simply go select the plane 2 and hide. Now if we check the input again, we have one cutout at bottom also, this area. Okay, so let's go to Solidworks. So we have to make a cutout here in this plane. We'll go to feature, reference geometry, plane, and select this plane. Again it's offset, so we simply type 0 here, enter, and okay. Now we'll go to sketch. Before going to sketch, we just select it and make it normal, right? Now we'll go to sketch, select circle, and draw a random circle right from any point like this. Now it's time to give dimension to it. So we go to sketch, smart dimensions. But before that, we have to check the input. So the die is 18.2 and the center point is 22.5 in x direction, and it's like 20 mm from here. So we'll give this dimension. This dia is 18.2, enter, and this is 22.5, so simply type 22.5 here, and this dimension, and this dimension. Now we have already done this dimension, and this one. This is 21. No, this is 20. Yes, so simply type 20 here. Done. Now it's fully defined. Okay, now we have to do a cutout here. So for this, we'll go to feature, extruded cut, and we'll see, yeah, direction is okay, and we want this cut throughout the body, so simply select here through all and okay, and here we are done with the second circular cut also. We'll go to plane 3 and hide it. Yeah. So the basic shape is ready here. Now we have some extruded part from this surface, right? So we'll check the input again, like this portion. Now we are left with this portion only, so we have to make this. So the dimension is like, it is like 20 here, 6 here, and 24 is the height. So just make it, and this is starting from here, so we need to know this distance also, so that we can make the sketch at this area, this point. So this distance is, if you can see, as here it's 20, right? Okay, so we'll go to feature, reference geometry, plane, and select this plane, and here we need this plane to be offset 20 mm in this direction. So we simply flip the direction and type here 20. Okay, okay, now we select this and normal, fair enough. Now we'll go to sketch, a line, so we'll select this point, a line, straight line like this, then this, and just close this and skip. Now we'll give dimension to it. We'll go to sketch, smart dimension. This dimension is 6, simply type 6 here. This one is 20, so simply type 20 there. Yeah, like this. So now it's fully defined. You can see, yes. Now we have to extrude this. Extrude, and we have to check input again to see the extrusion length, like this length you need to know. Okay, so this one is 24 here, 24. So simply go to feature, extrude boss, and we want this division in opposite direction, so we just simply flip the direction like this, and we simply type 20 here like this, and OK, and we select plane 4 and height C. So we are done with this 3D object. So in this video, with the help of this input, we try to make this 3D object. I hope you guys like this video. Let's catch you on next video. Till then, bye bye.